Okay, so now we're going to hook up our domain to the store. So you just go to online store and then domains, and then you can connect it. So you can buy a new one through them if you want, or just connect an existing one. So what I'm going to do is connect the deal, store.com, and I'll hit next, and it'll give me some info here that I need to do. So there's some instructions. So I have to log into my domain provider, so GoDaddy in my case, and then follow the instructions, and then I have to come back and verify the connection. So if I hit instructions, here it is. Log into there, find your DNS settings for your account in the admin panel, edit your A record to point to Shopify's address, and then the admin panel might feature drop downs. You might have to check boxes to edit that, save it, find the C name, and go to My Shopify. So let's do this step by step. I'm just going to log in to GoDaddy. Okay, so I've logged in another tab here. So it says edit your A record to point to Shopify's IP. So you just copy this. And then I'm in GoDaddy in domain DNS management, and then I just found my domain. So here's the A record they're talking about. So you just click edit here. I just want to change that to theirs. Click save. That's step 1. And then step 2, if it doesn't have it, you put that in. Save the A record, and then find the CNAME record in your DNS settings. Change your www CNAME record to point to shops.myshopify.com. Okay. Often you need to provide the prefix without the dot, but for some domain providers you need the whole subdomain. Use the existing entries as a guide and follow your provider's instructions. CNAME records must always point to the domain name, never to an IP address. Okay, so just follow it. So I'm going to go find the CNAME, which is here. There's the www. It points to there. So what I want to do is point it to Shopify. So I'm just going to remove the @ and paste that in. Click save. So now www.thedealstore.com will point to there, and now I have to verify the connection. So what I'm going to do is click verify. It could take a while, or it could go through right away. They're going to check it here. So it was connected. Domain's now pointing to your online store. It can take up to 24 hours. They always say that, but it never takes 24 hours. So it's connected. It says SSL pending. I think I have an SSL on that. Or they'll actually create one for me. I can't remember what they're going to do there. Anyway, we're all good to go. So the dealstore.com is connecting. SSL is pending. And we're good. That's what you need to do. Just follow the instructions on the screen. With GoDaddy, it's easy. You just go to DNS management and then search for your domain, and then you'll get the exact same screen as me. If you're with a different domain provider, then you have to find the DNS management part for them and change the A record and the CNAME record, the www one, to reflect that. Make sense? Okay, good stuff. Go ahead and do it on yours now.